Hey Jake, it's Snow Sarah. I just wanted to make a quick video and say hi, and I'm thinking about you, and I'm down here by the river hanging out with Penny and Bruce. Bruce sniffing something very important, I'm sure. But no, Paul and I have been thinking about you a lot lately. I've been wanting to make this video, so I'm glad I'm down here actually doing it. You've been such an inspiration, and you're such a wonderful person. Thank you so much for being you. You mean more than you know. It's just really cool that you're able to receive all this love, I think. And it's a weird, sad time, but I take such strength from you. I'm really proud to know you, and just wanted to say hi and thank you for your friendship. I don't know if you ever watched the show CBS Sunday Morning. It's one of Paul and I's favorite shows. There's a scene at the end of every episode. They end with a moment of like nature. So I was gonna do one of those for you. So this is, I will leave you with a scene from the Eagle River in Minturn, Colorado. Love you, Jake. You're the best. Hi, Penny. Here's Bruce. Hey, Bruce. Bruce, come here. Bruce. You want to say hi? No? Are you busy sniffing? Bruce is a busy mountain dog, so we've got to let him go. But there they are. The dogs. Yes.